So first of all, thank you very much for making this school a special place to work. I feel very fortunate to be able to teach here. Once upon a time, there was a student and a family. They were on a journey to help the student find a way through life. During this journey, the student arrived in HW land, and the family was joined by a group of adults. Together they hoped to produce an independent, contributing member of society. One of the members was a math student. What was this adult doing in this group? The student wasn't going to be a math teacher, so why did this student need to sit under the direction of this adult? Well, this teacher thought he could use mathematics to teach life lessons. The student can learn the method and meaning of mathematics. The method can teach the student structure, order, and discipline. But without meaning, the method had no purpose. The meaning of math can teach students understanding and reason. For example, relax, I'm not going to call on you, it's okay. But you're looking at that question at the top and you're wondering, do I add the exponents or multiply them? What's the rule, right? And I say, phooey with the rules. What does that mean? Doesn't x squared mean x times x? Doesn't x cubed mean x times x times x? I think you can count. There's 5 x's here. Isn't that what the exponent means? How many? I try to teach math as much as I can with meaning because it'll stick longer, it'll make sense, and then they'll learn, you know what, maybe in life I need to learn what things mean and not just do things. So that's my intent. We'll see if it really works. Teaching the meaning of mathematics will also help the student overcome, I hope, careless mistakes. You know, I'd be a pretty good math student except I make careless mistakes. Here's my thought. Careless mistakes occur when we just follow a method without thinking. If you just follow a rule, like I did with the first example, and you multiplied the exponents and you were wrong, you never know, right? Or if you have a formula that you just plug into hoping it works. Or if you just have this crazy shortcut that you made up. Or you're just copying and making a mistake from copying the question to the answer or something. Canceling is the worst. You just cancel everything in the sun and hope it works. And calculators. Push the wrong button, you'll never know, right? Because each of these 6 things requires no thinking. Meaning requires thinking and understanding. This might be by Einstein, it might not be. I just found it. You never know what the internet has or not. But it says education is not the learning of many facts, but the training of the mind to think. That's kind of my sense about what I'm about. I'm also going to try to teach your child organizational skills, which they hate. I want them to put together a portfolio, just follow the directions. Step 1, step 2, step 3, right? And hopefully they will be organized, and then they put this away after each unit into a big binder at home, and they're prepared for the midterm and final, as opposed to looking in their locker and their trunk and their backpack for all the papers wherever they put it. It'll be in one place, I hope. The teacher will also work with the family to teach this student accountability. Monthly reports will be sent home to parents and students to keep the family abreast of the student's progress. I don't wait till the quarter grade. You'll get something every month. They hate this too, but oh well. Hopefully they like me for something else. But you will see something like this, and we hope to track their progress. Hopefully everything is going up. And if they see it each month, they'll see how they're doing and keep tabs of it themselves as well. So expect this from me each month. The family might consider including a tutor in this process. The family must consider the following question. Will the tutor teach method and meaning, like their crazy teacher, or only practice method after method after method? There's a chair at my desk next to my chair where students can come and receive direct assistance from the master. The school has provided the teacher with the ability to communicate effectively with the student. You may have heard about the hub. It's great. I post a monthly calendar. They know what's coming every single day. I post the daily notes that I pass out to the class each day. I post the video of my lesson that day. So if they're absent, no excuses. They can download the notes, print them, watch the video, pretend like they're in school. In fact, I don't know why they come to school. They can just do this. But, it's good to see their friends, And the daily assignments, there's no excuse not to know what to do for homework. The dean will join this team to help plan the continuing journey to Big U Land. At Big U Land, the student will need to be able to stand alone. We'll also talk about courses for next year and the year after that with the dean. But here's our goal, right? That they can be on their own. Well, you'll still be there. It is my hope that we'll all live happily ever after this year. Have a great year.